Hello, Bossmo family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the country where you're in, I drop my greetings. A big thank you to all the family of Box Mom. You guys are amazing. Okay, thank you for all your testimony. Thanks for everything. I did see una testimony. Even if I not feel read all una testimony because it much multiples. Don't mind me. Okay, I appreciate you all for your sincere love and for everything. And I thank God Almighty. I thank my ancestors. I thank my chi. I thank everything I believe in. I thank the universe. I thank my queen mother. I thank the water deities for their love and everything. Today is a different video. I'll be doing teaching on how to see things yourself. You understand? You know, my video is all about you doing it yourself, seeing revelation yourself. Instead of you to come and say, Boss Mom, do consultation for me, at least you do it yourself. You understand? Today now another video for you to see things yourself. Okay, I've been giving those people assignments and they have been cashing. Okay, when I mean cashing, I'm not saying cashing out. Like, when they see who they under their problem, even some of them will be like, is there any need for you to even see who they under your problem? Why you not just do your cleansing? You know, any two person don't know, not they kill them. If you don't know your problem or who is behind your problem, you go just do your cleansing, you go now. You go say, no, Boss Mom, I need to know who they behind my problem, who make my business go down, who do this, who do that. Yes, okay. Traditionally, anything that got to do with downfall, you should know is a spiritual attack. Yes, at times some of the downfall are being caused by your own personal self, because of the women where you they carry, or the things where you they do unnecessarily, because not be all spirits like bugging, like sex. Okay, so I understand, but majority of downfall of some people are caused spiritually, and some of them, because they not pay attention to their spiritual life, it makes them they face a lot spiritually. Let me tell you, lives are being controlled spiritually. People, when they attack you, they don't attack you face to face, they attack you spiritually. So when you want to attack your people, or you want to do things, do it spiritually. That's why I always tell people, say, if you see who they do you don't need to go fight, because the battle not be physical fight, the battle not spiritual fight. You understand? You go always there, you and they go they see una self physically, una come, the person will come hate you, the person will come they vex for you. Why? Because he knows, say, spiritually you don't see him, you don't see his face. You understand? That is how it is. But you going to fight, exchange words, asking, why did you do me this? Like, you want to know why they did that to you, you want to know why it happens. All those things is not necessary. You understand? Also, if your mind not strong, not do this ritual. Okay, not participate if you know your heart is not strong. Spirituality is not meant for someone with a soft heart or someone with a baby heart. Spirituality also be like nurse. You know, if you want to be a nurse, especially those nurses do surgery, you understand, your mind needs to be strong. You understand? You need to know, okay, you are saving lives. That is how you are saving your life. So your mind needs to strong. So if you not say your mind not strong, not even try them. And if you not say are not clean, not perform. If you know, say you don't fair wish people bad, you don't fair send bad arrow also, you don't need to know they behind your problem, because now your karma they do you. You understand? Yes, that's why I always tell you, stay positive and all of that. Why I'm trying to explain all these things for you, so that you know, say, Boss Mom not warn me before I teach you anything with concern spirituality. I like talk. Why they like to talk? So that tomorrow you know come ask me, say, Boss Mom, you know, tell me, say, see the repercussion, you know, tell me, say, see the side effect. If you want to be good in your spiritual life, okay, if you want your spiritual life to always bring progress to you, you want your spiritual life to always favor you, you want your spiritual life to always bless you, you want your spiritual life to always guide you. Yeah, your spiritual life brings a lot of things, bring your ancestors close to you. Your spiritual life brings your ancestors closer to you. Your spiritual life brings your guardian angel closer to you. Your spiritual life has a lot of benefits to give to you. If you want your spiritual life to be connected to the full universe, to your full ancestors, to your full self, you need to live a good life, like not plan bad for person, not wish bad for person, and all of that. Today I want to show you how to use plantain leaf to see who they behind your problem. You dey experience downfall up and down, or things not they move well, you first they do well, things not they go well, and you want to see who they behind your problem. Or person they come they press you for night, you feel people they press you for night, you feel they get shock for night. This is it. Or as a spiritualist, you start your spiritual journey and other evil spiritualists, they attack you. You want to see the particular person where they come attack you. You're going to do this. Okay, let me tell you, doing this is just like you opening your third eyes to see what is happening. as a human being for this life, it's good for you to know who they behind your problem, and it's also good for you not to know who they behind your problem. Why I talk say it good and it not good? It good in the sense that when you know your enemy, you go know the spoon to take, follow and shop. But when you can't know your enemy, and you be the person will say, you not sabi bear something, you dey quick verse, you go be like, so now you they do me since then, now you they do me since then. You see, so it's good for you to know. It's also good for you not to know. So if you have a soft heart, don't need to know. Just do your cleansing, do your prayers. But when you know who they behind your problem, and God show you how everything they organize, like if now wood they tie you how to lose yourself. Because when you do things like this, God not go always show you who they behind your problem. He go also show you what to do. That is why you need to build your spiritual life. Okay. You are going to be using plantain to see revelation. Plantain leaf, the leaf to see revelation as yours day like this. So you're going to use plantain leaf to see revelation. Now let me take you back to our history. In the history of Africa, plantain leaf is very spiritual, and plantain is very, very powerful. Out of the 9 herbs where they strong for Africa's spirituality, plantain leaf happens to represent the 9. Yes, it did number 9 spiritual herbs, leaf where you fit do spiritual things. Plantain leaf, they do a lot of things. You fit use plantain leaf cash who keep person. In our days, let's have say debt too much for the community, and they suspect say na people they do like accusation, they fly in, they do consultation, they say and say see the person with they behind, and they bring you come outside, you say not be you. Then they go wash the dead body water with plantain leaf. Guys, they say they do, and they wash everything. Plantain leaf must stay inside the water, you go drink them. When your body start to swell up, when changes, different things start to happen, they go no say na you dey involved. Plantain leaf have been in existence. Now let me also take you to our farmer back then. If you dey always they go farm, you go see and say if you dey road of farm, or maybe your dad don't to work, or elderly person don't to work for farm where okay, the person go come dey tired. What he go do? If you want sleep for farm ground, he go cut plantain leaf like 4 at times. Neither they cut, just that your high not the ground. The person go cut 1. He got it to the drum. They go cut them. You go put them for ground. Farmer go cut the leaf. They go drag them. You understand? Or they go use cutlass, cut her into 4, spread them for ground, sleep. If you see an elderly man sleep for top of plantain leaf, now because of 2 things. 1, he wants get relaxation. Okay, yes, when you sleep on top of plantain leaf, it gives you relaxation, because plantain leaf is for spirituality. Plantain leaf is for spiritual purposes and also for physical purposes. Why I thought say for physical purposes, plantain leaf have a lot of spiritual benefit and also health benefit. If you dey get yama sickness, fibroid, all those things, just the boil plantain leaf they drink, you go understand what they talk. You understand? Why plantain leaf also dey for spirituality, as it dey medicine, and that's why it dey for spiritual something. All right. So when you see farmers sleep for plantain leaf, now because you want get full relaxation, because they carry cloth to go farm, if you spread cloth for ground, but that plantain leaf is very important. The second thing we make elderly person they sleep for top of plantain leaf, now because you want see what they happen for a house and what they happen outside the house. Yes, cut plantain leaf, spread them. As that sleep carry you, you must see revelation. You must see things they happen. You go see what they plan for you. That is why an elderly person they always they spread plantain leaf for ground. If they farm, or if they come for road of farm, or if they tired. You understand? Yes. Even some elderly people for their own house, they go their backyard, pluck plantain leaf, put them for there. Before you even step an inch, they know say now you they come. Yes. The ways of our forefathers are always the ways of God, because they communicate with God, they do things in a godly way. All right. Doing this does not mean you are a bad person, you are evil. Spirituality is not all about evil. It's all about you using what God put on this earth to manifest. According to you, where they read Bible, he said, I've given you everything on this earth for you to manifest. God give you everything, then you get headache, you go kabash. Winch fly, you go kabash. Where God don't put everything for you to take key winch. All right. Now you're going to do me this assignment. Get 4 plantain branch. As you see for here, 4 plantain branch. You're going to get 4 plantain branch. Okay, 4 plantain branch. Then when you want to sleep, you're going to put it inside your room. If you like to sleep with it on the ground, no problem. Get 4 plantain branch, and don't forget, every evening you know say normally we they do cleansing. Now you know cleansing where you want to do. Get 4 plantain branch. Get alligator pepper. Get full bunch of alligator pepper, which I'll teach you guys how to activate your alligator pepper from back. Okay, get 4 plantain branch leaf. The leaf like this, 4. Not take the one we don't cut, we don't know, fresh one, fresh leaf. Okay, when you get your 4 plantain branch, get your alligator pepper. Each of the plantain branch, you are going to split 21 seed of alligator pepper. Yes, each of the plantain branch, you are going to split 21 seed of alligator pepper on it. That means you are going to be using 84 alligator pepper. Yes, yeah, 84 alligator pepper. All right, this you're going to be using 84 alligator pepper on it. Spirituality is for strong people, not for so don't ask me, boss, why am I going to chew 84 pepper? Yes, that is how it is. Okay, when you see native doctor, they perform their ritual, respect them. It's not easy. All right, I'm a proud juju girl. You split the alligator pepper. As you collect one of the plantain leaf, you spread that for ground. You pray and say what you want. You split the alligator pepper. You put another 21 for mat. You spread that again. You say what you want. You split them. Like you are lapping the plantain leaf. One day ground. The front must dey up. Oh. You know, they get back and front. Now the front, the front you carry go up. I'll try put them for picture. Make you for understand that. The front now you go carry go up. You understand? Now so you take do 21 for the 4 plantain. Now you're going to spread it on your bed. Okay, if you also want to use it as your bed because you want to see revelation and you want to be seeing things, spread it. You understand? Put a one round your like where go take 4 mats where your body no go touch ground, or you lap them together, sleep. All depends on how you want to do and how it work for you. Now you can know. You understand? Do this when it don't reach time for you to sleep, so that you not get distraction. That's why you see native doctor, they get their special room when they want to do things like this, so that they not go face distraction. You understand? So put everything for ground, sleep on top, and watch what God will reveal to you. You can use this plantain leaf for as long days as you want. You understand? If you don't they hold, you change them. If you don't they hold, you change them. If not just once you want me go review your problem for you, no problem. Always know say this work is very spiritual. Plantain leaf that they use and fly. Yes, person herbalist fit dey Nigeria, dey on top of plantain leaf, come Europe, come do a work. Witchcraft fit dey on top of plantain leaf, come Europe, come do a work. Okay, they get added, they perform everything. You understand? Plantain leaf is very strong. My things you do when you want to do this ritual, like I told you, is for the strong people, not for everybody. This period where you know you want to see revelation, let's assume you want to do this ritual for like a month or a week. You understand? Because like me, if God never show me what I want to see, I know they stop my spiritual something why they do for that particular thing. You understand? So let's assume say you never see them, you want continue. No, say if na 1 week you dey do them, that 1 week no cess, that 1 week no unnecessary gossip, mind yourself, mind what you do, speak no evil, and know you are connected to the universe at this moment. Okay, so continue like this and see what God will reveal to you. After the revelation, please don't fight. It's not a physical fight, it's a spiritual fight. Don't fight, and just always know that this is time for you to buckle up and start doing back to sender, and start praying and start doing things that you would like. Hey, this is time for you to buckle up. If you first they pray with 1 candle, this is time for you to start to pray with 4 candles. And anything that is being revealed to you in that dream, pay full attention. At times they will reveal your solution to you also. Yes, God will reveal your solution to you. Don't forget, when you want to pray on that plantain leaf, pray to God Almighty to reveal that which you want to see. All right? And also know, say after this revelation, who they disturb you go stop. You know why? because the person don't already know, say you don't know, you don't see his face, and not confront the person, because if you do, yes, the person go feel gets you. Not confront the person, do like say you no ever see her, okay, so that him go confuse why you they do your spiritual work to take make her confess. You understand? Yes. So this is how to use it. Be careful, no bugging, okay, no knocking of any kind, because you are doing something very important. If you're on your period, forget about it, okay, forget about it. When they clean, you can always do this. All right, I decided to show you this, how to use plantain leaf to see things and to do a lot of things, okay. Plantain leaf is very spiritual, you will not understand. It's very spiritual and very important, okay. It's medicinal and it's also good for cleansing. Yes, they use plantain leaf for cleanses too. Hey, don't worry, stay cool, you're going to learn more. Thank you all so much for watching. I remain your box mom. I hope this video helped you. Yes, don't fight when you finally see your solution. See you on my next video. Bye guys.